Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today we're exploring the Moroccanoil Treatment, a beloved staple in the hair care world. This product is designed to condition, smooth frizz, and boost shine by an impressive 118%. It's suitable for all hair types, is alcohol-free, and comes in a convenient 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. Let's talk about my experience using the Moroccanoil Treatment. Setting it up was a breeze. I simply applied a small amount to damp hair after washing, and it absorbed quickly without any greasy residue. The application felt luxurious, and I immediately noticed a significant difference in the texture of my hair. When it comes to performance, this treatment truly delivers. It effectively detangled my hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. After blow-drying, my hair had a beautiful shine and felt incredibly smooth. In a side-by-side comparison with other popular hair oils, such as argan oil from other brands, I found that the Moroccanoil Treatment provided superior hydration and shine without weighing my hair down. Now, let's look at some pros and cons. On the plus side, this treatment offers exceptional moisture, reduces drying time, and enhances shine remarkably. However, it is a bit on the pricier side compared to alternatives like drugstore oils. If budget is a concern, there are options available that also provide good results, such as OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco or Garnier Fructis, Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. In terms of value for money, Moroccanoil Treatment is a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their hair care routine. The quality is evident, and the included nourishing properties justify the price. The build quality of the packaging is also impressive. It's sturdy and aesthetically pleasing, which adds a touch of elegance to your vanity. User-friendliness is another highlight. The product comes with clear instructions and is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Plus, I've had a positive experience with customer support. They are responsive and helpful, ensuring that any inquiries are addressed promptly. During my real-world testing, I used the treatment in various settings, after gym sessions, on humid days, and during styling for events. Each time, my hair remained frizz-free and shiny, showcasing the product's reliability. There haven't been any significant updates or changes to the formula since I started using it, which is a testament to its effectiveness. To wrap things up, I highly recommend the Moroccanoil Treatment for anyone seeking smooth, shiny, and healthy hair. It's particularly beneficial for those with dry or frizzy hair, and professionals will appreciate its salon quality results. If you're curious about its long-term reliability, I've found it maintains its effectiveness over time without losing its nourishing properties. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Moroccanoil Treatment in the description below. If you have any questions about the product or if you've used it yourself, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences.